Unnerving noises at night, new neighbors. Hi peoples, I've been dealing with some creepy noises at night ever since my new neighbors moved in, and it's starting to really get to me. Every few nights, usually around 2 a.m., but it has happened at various hours of the night and only ever at night. I work from home quite a bit and have never heard it in the day. I hear what sounds like a man in heavy boots running along the fence between our houses. The fence is right outside my window, so the noise is incredibly loud and hard to ignore. The sound is too deliberate and heavy to be an animal. It genuinely feels like someone is sprinting with purpose. It generally some with unnerving rustling, and a couple of times I've heard a loud thud, like whoever or whatever it is has actually hit the fence, or what I'm anxious about is it could be them jumping the fence. There's a family next door, and while there is a man who lives there, I can't shake this uneasy feeling that something isn't right. I'm half tempted to peek over the fence to see what's going on, but the thought of what I might, or worse, being caught looking makes me hesitate. This whole situation is really unsettling, and I find myself lying awake for hours after waking up to it. Has anyone else experienced something like this? What would you do in my shoes? I'm losing sleep and could really use some advice on how to handle this, or even advice on what you think it could be.